Hello बच्चों, today our topic is preparation of haloalkanes by electrophilic substitution reaction. In previous video we learned about nucleophilic substitution reaction and here we learn about electrophilic substitution reaction, preparation of haloalkanes. By this method we prepare aryl halides by the action of halogens. It gives ortho and para aryl halides which can be separated by them due to their very large difference in the melting point in the presence of Lewis acid such as ferric or ferric chloride and also anhydrous ammonium chloride. Okay, now we write down the reactions, how this nucleophilic reaction go through and what is the procedure. Electrophilic substitution reaction. By this method we prepare aryl halides. We take example of toluene react with chloride or bromide in the presence of Lewis acid. Here the attacking species is electrophile and we need Lewis acid which carry the which generate the electrophilic species and carry the nucleophilic species. The reaction, the role of the Lewis acid is generate electrophilic species. The chloride ion, the breaking of the bond in such a way, the presence of Lewis acid such as ferric chloride, that one shared pair of electron go to the one carbon and other is positively charged. This is electrophilic species and the Lewis acid carry this nucleophile. Now this electrophilic species attack the aryl chloride. We take example of toluene. Just now electrophile is attacked and the ortho and para tolu halogens is generated. This may be chloride ion or bromide. Here the chloride ion is attached. This is ortho, halo, we can say chloro, toluene, and para. This is para, chloro, ortho and para chlorotoluene or bromine can be prepared by this method. They can easily separated by each other because they have very large difference in their melting point, and we also get HCl. By this method chloride or bromide derivative can be prepared, but for iodine this is not we need some catalyst or oxidizing agent because iodine iodo derivative is reversible reaction and we need oxidizing agent to reduce the to oxidize this HI form in this reaction, that is so the forward reaction can carried out. I will show you. We take the iodine here, and the hydroderivative is formed, and also HI is formed. This is reversible reaction, so we just need oxidizing agents such as HNO3 or HiO3, which oxidize HI, and the reaction is proceed forward. The role of HNO3 HI is oxidize the HI form in this reaction, ऑक्सीडाइज कर देंगे NO2 प्लस I2। इक्वेशन को हम बैलेंस करते हैं, H यहाँ पे 2 लगा देंगे, NO2 एंड द HI प्लस HiO3 R2 प्लस H2। तो इस तरह ये लोग जो है HI फॉर्म होता है जिस रिएक्शन में, उसको ऑक्सीडाइज कर देंगे जिससे कि फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन होगी। तो हमें आयोडीनेशन के लिए हमें सम ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट की ज़रूरत होगी, जबकि क्लोरीनेशन और ब्रोमिनेशन के लिए हमें सिर्फ लुईस एसिड की ज़रूरत होगी। वो होंगे हमारे FeCl3 और एनहाइड्रस एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड। कई बुक्स में एनहाइड्रस एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड भी है, एनहाइड्रस और एनहाइड्रस AlCl3। और फ्लोरीन जो होता है इससे नहीं फॉर्म हो पाता है क्योंकि फ्लोरीन बहुत ही रिएक्टिव होता है, सो फ्लोरीन के कंपाउंड इससे नहीं बना पाते।